As you may know, Black Friday and Cyber Monday is one of the biggest sale events of the year. So if you're a new consultant or coach, Black Friday is one of the best opportunities for you to get your name out there and start building your list. So if you want to take advantage of that, you're going to want to watch this video to see how to scale your business. I hope you're excited because when this launch is done in the proper sequence, you can get astonishing results. So that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video. The first thing you want to do is create ideas for your Black Friday offer. You want to spend some time brainstorming what you can offer for this promotion. Make a list of your ideas, and this offer will only be available between Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and you should create a strong desire for your target market to buy from you. You don't want to spend too much time creating something completely new, so if you already have a product already, the best way to get more people to buy from you during this Black Friday time is by offering your product with a discount or additional bonuses. But if you don't already have a product, let's come up with some ideas that you can provide for your audience and you don't need to spend a lot of time creating. For example, if you're a coach or a consultant, you can offer a done-for-you service, group coaching, one-on-one coaching, access for a longer period of time with you. So if you have a membership site for 6 months, you can extend it to 3 months. Or if you have coaching call packages, you can extend that to an additional 3 packages, something like that. Also, remember that in the consumer's mind, their expectations for Black Friday and Cyber Monday translate to having ridiculously outstanding deals. So in order for your Black Friday launch to be successful, you need to make a ridiculously outstanding offer. So after you've brainstormed some ideas, the best way to decide on the winning idea will be with this chart I created. And you can grab a copy of this chart in the link below. So the first thing that I have here is the offer. What is the offer after I brainstormed all my Black Friday ideas? And then the second idea, the second column was, is it aligned with my business and my niche? Is this upsell easy to create? Like if I wanted to create an upsell for this, would that be easy? And then from 1 to 10, like what are the answers for that? And the upsell value from 1 to 10, like would I be able to really upsell them to like a enterprise level? Then the next column I have here is aligned with your customer audience. Like, is this all aligned with the message that I'm trying to send? And what can provide the most results for these people from a scale from 1 to 10? And is this unique? Like, is every consultant doing this? And once you've finished putting in all the numbers from 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest and 1 being the lowest, you do the total score. And whatever total score is, that's the winner. It's that simple. Okay, great. So now you know what offer you're going to use. Now it's time to promote it. Assuming that you don't have a big email list, I'm going to suggest that you create some Facebook ads. And I suggest this because that's a great place for consultants and coaches to market themselves, and you can do it very inexpensively. So the first thing we're going to do to be able to sell this promotion on Facebook is to create a landing page. And you can do this to a website. You can add an extra page on your website, or you can create a landing page with some landing page hosting. I recommend Lead Pages. That's my favorite. I love it. It's super simple to use and it's very inexpensive, and you can use their own hosting if you don't already have hosting or a landing page. You could also use their domain too if you like. So let's go over to Lead Pages and I'll show you how this works. I have my dashboard open and I'm just going to say create new landing page. And over here, it offers us some different options. And also, if we don't like these options, we can go back to some of their templates. But this is what they recommend. So I'm going to say, go to General Leads. And so this is where you can start with a blank page or go to their templates. But I'm just going to say free guide. What I like about Lead Pages is that it actually has the layout converted for high conversion rate optimization. So in other words, they have already laid out the template so that you will get a lot of leads according to the layout. So I'm going to just choose this one, and then from here you can see the template. This is only about $27 a month, I believe. I'm going to just say book for Black Friday. And from here I can just switch out the logo, And I click on this and I can upload different images in here. And I can switch this around. I like to create my own mock-ups in Photoshop, and there's something called Mockup World. I'll put that in the link below, but if you ever need to get mock-ups and you have Photoshop, it's very, very easy, and they make very professional mock-ups. You can download them for free. They're really nice. It's called Mockup World. So I'm going to put that in the link below, and then here you just register to get your guide or ready to get your free guide. You can change all this, and I'm going to show you very quickly how to do this in this very brief demonstration. Okay, we are back, and this is the finished product right here. I wanted to mention also, again, with Lead Pages, I'm not sure about the other softwares like Unbounced and other landing page softwares, how they do this, but with Lead Pages, if you wanted to connect your email manager like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or something, it's very simple to integrate right in here. There's no coding involved or anything. It's very easy. And I'm integrated with the ActiveCampaign. So when I go in here and I want to create my own email form and automate this, it's going to be all right in here. And so I just press this, and then where do you send the book to? And then immediately it goes over to this area over here, and this is already integrated with my ActiveCampaign. So this is where I'm now going to go over to ActiveCampaign, because that's where once these people download the book, you can have it go to a different list, and this is already integrated again with ActiveCampaign. There's also MailChimp, and if you don't want to do an integration, Lead Pages will just notify you via email. And so when I activate this, this is activated in ActiveCampaign, as I just mentioned for like the 5th time, sorry. But there's all these different lists in here as I have, and that's all created with over here in ActiveCampaign. So what I love about ActiveCampaign is that you can create automations right here. Like it does it, like there's some really amazing marketers that already have created automations for you that you can just copy and paste, and it's really great. So there's some targeted ones if you're trying to increase revenue, if you're trying to do customer follow-up, you can just take these and sort of customize it to your own, but the template is already there. It's really amazing. So I'm going to go back into here, and because what you want to now do is just acknowledge that so once they get the book, which is over here, and this is activated, this automatically, once they get it, then they can get the book. They're going to automatically get an email respond from you automatically saying like, thank you for subscribing, blah, 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 whatever. This automatically works, and once you activate it. And but that's where you really create the relationship with your niche, is right in this email. If it's done right, you can actually create amazing results and developing a nurturing campaign with email marketing. And so that's what this whole thing is all about, is like creating this amazing book, or whatever it's called, the lead magnet, any type of free offer or free discount, or free discount, discount or promotion. This is always a great way to get a new subscriber. And one of the ways, instead of just giving them the book or something, you want to just like develop a relationship and develop credibility so you can eventually upsell them with something as well. So that's where the rubber hits the road. The rubber meets the road is the expression, I think. Right in here is where you actually create the nurturing sequence. And so I'm going to go over to, you can create your own. So here are my lists, here are the forms and reports and automations. So I'm going to just create a specific automation for Black Friday. And that's going to be in right here. I'm just going to put in campaigns, and they give you a whole bunch of templates in here. And so this is the one for the winning offer that I came up with. So this is the lead magnet of High Plain paying clients. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty simple. I mean, I ain't no designer, but it gets the job done. And so it just says a little bit about the intro, what we're about, and here's your book. And then after that, I can press save and edit or next, and then send myself a test one. But yeah, really like ActiveCampaign a lot. There's a lot of things here. So I put this Friday, blah, blah, blah. I can send myself a test and see how it looks. But yeah, it's really nice. In ActiveCampaign, they give you a lot of templates, and it's like only $9 a month. It's pretty good. So I know I didn't get to talk a lot about email sequencing and nurturing, but you can get it in that offer that I have put up for Black Friday. So make sure to get that. And I'm looking forward to, in the next week or so, to see how those are performing. So I'll try and do a video about that. So please subscribe to this channel, where I'll be showing you a lot more marketing training. And I hope you like this video.